The talk in the street, no red flags for Dalal Street. So, Nifty's rally should gather pace with immediate goalpost at its all-time high at 26,373.20 mark. Our call of the day, bullish consolidation should be the preferred theme as not many bears are out there right now. The 5 positive catalysts. 1. India-EU trade deal buzz. Investor sentiment is buoyed by strong cues on the India-EU bilateral trade deal, dubbed the mother of all deals. The pact spans 2 billion people, a $27 trillion market, and nearly 25% of global GDP. 2. India-US trade pact nearing closure. The long-awaited deal is close to finalization, with reciprocal tariffs on Indian goods cut to 18% from 25%, in exchange for India halting Russian oil purchases and easing select trade barriers. 3. Wall Street in risk-on mode. The S&P 500 flirts with the 7,000 milestone, reinforcing global risk appetite. 4. FII short covering and fresh buying. FIIs turned net buyers, pumping in 3,404 crore rupees over the last 2 sessions. The US-India deal could reverse the massive $34 billion FII outflow since October 2024, the largest among EMs, with the US accounting for 41% of FII AUC. 5. Domestic triggers fire up bulls. Adani Group stocks surge up to 12%, RIL jumps 3.5%. Union Budget 2026 capex push lifts earnings visibility across sectors. Rupee hits 3-week high at $90.19, signaling rising foreign confidence. Bottom line, all bullish eyes on Nifty's all-time high at 26,373.20 with an interweek perspective. Keep your all-time high cap ready. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of rupees 50-36 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of rupees 10-14 crores. Sentiments are likely to be super bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest massive rebound play. Fan of February month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has cooled towards 12.90 levels. At last check, USD INR, February, has slipped near the 90.37 levels. Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 1.14 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 24th February, is at 0.98. Nifty outlook, the bulls are likely to be everywhere at Dalal Street. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5728. Biggest intraday support for Nifty is now placed at 25,550 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,373 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 26,000. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 83739. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed only at 83,200 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,000 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,300 to 84,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 60041. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 59,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 60,500 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 59,500 and 60500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. The biggest positive takeaway from yesterday's solid rebound was that on the technical front, Nifty is now well above its 21-day to 5534, 50-day, 25,822, the 100-day DMA at 25,637 and the 200 DMA to 5229 moving averages. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Bajaj Housing Finance, plus 1.2%, 90 rupees and 90 paise. Bajaj Housing Finance rose after the company's standalone net profit jumped 21.32% to 664.89 crore rupees on a 17.8% increase in total income to 2,886.04 crore rupees in Q3 FY26 over Q3 FY25. 2. Adani Enterprises, plus 10.58%, 2,206.50. Adani Group's flagship firm, Adani Enterprises, reported a multifold jump in its consolidated net profit to 5,627 crore rupees in the third quarter of the financial year 2025-26, Q3 FY26, on the back of one-time exceptional gains of 5,632.09 crore rupees. During the same period last year, the firm's net profit stood at 58 crore rupees. Here are Q3 FY26 corporate earnings to trickle in this Wednesday, 4th February. Tube Investments, Tata Power, Cummins, Apollo Tyres, Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance. Thursday, 5th February, Bharti Airtel, LIC IOC, Tata Motors PV, PFC, Hiromoto Corp, Godrej Properties, Nykaa, Hindustan Copper, Hitchi Energy.